Hello everyone, welcome to a new video in React Basics Learning series. In the previous video we learned a lot about how you can debug a React application. As part of this video, and this is going to be some of the last videos of the series related to the to-do list application that we were building. Uh, so I was looking at the functional requirement and there was one thing that we did not implement: update existing to do entry. So as part of this video I wanted to wrap up implementing this particular uh, functionality. Also you can pause this video and try to implement it on yourself. If you are able to do it, it will be a really good thing, because whatever things that we have learned so far, based on that, ideally you should be able to implement the functionality on your own. In case you are stuck anywhere, then you can refer the video, come back to the video and refer it. Also, once you complete the functionality, you can watch the video forward so that you will understand if you have missed anything. Okay, so now let's get started with the development. So first of all, you need to open your project in Visual Studio Code. So once you open the project, like in the last few lectures, we refactored the routing part and we moved the to-do application on the to-do app route. For now, for doing quick development, basically I will be having this particular app on the home itself. I will replace the home with to-do app so that we can quickly finish the functionality. I don't need to go to the separate route. So let's copy this and replace it. So basically I have put the to-do app itself on the root route as well, and let's comment this part of code for now. So once you are done with the changes, if you go to the application, you can start your application using npm start command, and once you go back to the application, your application should be up and running and it should work as expected. So everything seems to be working fine. Just verify these before moving ahead. uh, in case you are not able to see these things working, please go and watch previous videos and make sure your application is in a good state to start on this particular video. Okay, so the next thing that we want to do is we want to add a new button here. So this is for marking a task as completed. We will be adding one more button here for editing the task. So let's go back and see where we have this mark completed button. You can use control and right click to go to this particular component itself. In Mac you can use uh, command and click to go to the component. Not right click, just click on that mouse. Okay, so once you reach to the component, uh, basically you will notice we have added a task component, and task component basically has that action button. So if we want to add a new action in the list item, to do list item, we need to have it in the button itself, in these actions itself. So let's add a new button for editing the task. Okay, so you will see some error like this: JSX expressions must have one parent element. uh, so basically whenever you are creating a JSX, you cannot put two elements as siblings, something like that. This you need to have a root element. So let's put a root element for the actions. We took some class name. Let's close this div. Also, if you are finding this video to be bit slow, please increase the speed. I have created this video keeping in mind all the different kind of learners, so that they don't, whenever they are lagging, they can follow up very easily. But in case you are able to do it fast, just increase the speed for the video so that it will move faster for you. Okay, so we have added a new button, and let's call this new button. Okay, so basically in this case, let's use some icon for edit. Let's go to and design. You need to search for ND, go to the and design. If you are not aware of and design, please go back and watch previous videos where I have talked about how we can integrate and design in a React application. So in this case we are looking for an icon, and I am looking for a edit icon. So let's search edit. So there is icon edit outlined. Let's copy this and put it here. So this is the icon that we want to use for the edit button, and let's import that from icons, and that's it. Our icon should be available now. So if I go back to the application, as you can see, we have this edit icon available. Now the next thing that I want to do is I want to give a proper CSS for this class. So let's use this for opening a split window. And once you open the split window, we can go to the task CSS file, task.css, open that, and as you can see, I have set the margin left auto, and this was basically right aligning the particular action button, this action button. So now I will be using the same class, or rather same style. Let's call it action wrapper, and this action wrapper is margin left. We can give it auto, and this action wrapper class will go on the root div where we have wrapped both these buttons. So once you are able to do it, just save it, and let's go back and see how it looks like. Let's add a new task. As you can see, these buttons are right aligned nicely now, so we are good there. And this mark completed button class we don't need anymore, so you can just get rid of this comment. I'm commenting it for now, and this class name is also not needed here. So once you are done till this step, basically you will have these two actions available. I want to use this edit action for editing this particular task, and this is for marking the task as completed. Now let's go back to our code. So the next thing that we want to do is we need to add certain handlers for handling edit action. So as you can see, we have a handle action button click. We can refactor the name, but for now what we can do is let's have one more prop. So I think this video will get longer if I implement this functionality completely. So in the new video I will cover how you can implement the edit functionality for the button. So that's it for this video. If you are new to the channel, I would highly recommend you to go back and watch my playlist, which is related to React basics. uh, so this is the playlist, and I have already uploaded so many videos, around 18 of them. And if you are serious about learning React, please make sure go and watch each and every video, so that you will get a good context around like how to design a React app. uh, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon.